Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 144 new aftermarket solutions, including many that redesign repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. Remanufactured ABS control modules can be hard to find when there aren't enough cores to rebuild. That's why Dorman produces this 100% new ABS module for popular Chevy and GMC pickups. This Dorman OE FIX features a thicker circuit board for greater durability than a remanufactured original equipment module and uses a faster processor for better performance. The power steering pump pulley on certain Chrysler and Dodge vehicles is made of composite plastic that often cracks during routine engine service when the serpentine belt is removed. This Dorman OE FIX replacement pulley is made of steel to prevent future damage. It's a direct fit for the original pulley and is finished in a corrosion-resistant black paint for durability. On certain Chevy and GM pickups equipped with a manual transmission, the plastic clutch pedal bracket is prone to failure that can make the clutch pedal ineffective. This Dorman OE FIX pedal bracket incorporates a steel reinforcement to ensure more reliable service but works with the original clutch pedal. Repair a rusted wheel arch on a Ford Super Duty pickup with this convenient patch panel. Made of steel, this money-saving Dorman OE FIX repair panel is large enough to ensure all the rust can be cut away from the original bodywork for a clean, weld-on repair and a factory-like finish once completed. Electronic throttle bodies can become fouled when moisture, oil, and other debris damage the internal electronics or interfere with smooth operation of the drive gear. This 100% new throttle body for various General Motors vehicles is a plug-and-play direct replacement for an original equipment unit that is no longer working properly, and there's no core to return. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 35 new drive shaft assemblies, 6 replacement oil filter covers, and 5 new door lock actuator motors for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. Thanks for watching. Join us next month to see our latest new innovative solutions.